Good day, viewers and everyone that is watching us on this platform, JCTV Africa, your channel of choice for all your political news and analysis. We bring to you the happenings of the elections 2023 and among other issues. If you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing and share this video with your family and friends so that they be made aware of what is going on. So today, we're looking at the breaking news that has just happened right now. And I've been sent this by a source that is right there on where this thing is happening in Zimbabwe. So I just wanted to play you the audio and you tell me what you think about what you are hearing. Apparently, there are people that have been beaten, that have been forced to close their shop in Southly Park in Harare, where I used to be a resident there. I left about 2 months ago. So this is a resident that is based there that has sent me this audio. And I'm going to play it out now. And you tell me what you think about this whole issue of violence. Obviously, I can't confirm that there have been people that have been beaten up, but what I can tell from the audio and from what the person said, there is people that have been forced to close their shop so that they can attend a rally or a meeting. One more thing is that they are forcing people or drivers, combi drivers, to varikumanikidza makombi driver kuti vanofanira kunge vane mastika emusangano, or otherwise their combis get beaten up. But if you are also from Southern Park, please confirm this with me, and we can also alert people. If you've got videos to this, please send them to us. I'll send you the numbers. I'll post the numbers on this broadcast. But let's just take a listen to this audio.
Hello, brother. Speaking. There is this thing that is happening in South Park. Can you advertise for us? Can you put it on air? Now, Zanu PF supporters vari kufamba ivo vachiningirika vachimanikidzira vanhu kuti vauye kumusangano, vachipinda mumashops, vachirova vanhu mumashops. Ndo zvavari kuita. Even in Southly Park, around Harare and other places, kunyanya muSouthly Park muno vari kutozviita each and every area. Munhu wese ari kurohwa, munhu wese ane shopu pakendi shops ari kurohwa. Every motor, every kombi zvayo inopinda mutauni ichiya kuSouthly Park yakaiswa stika kuitira kuti isarohwa, isamiswa kufamba muroad. Saka tiisirewo panyuzi mukoma. Inini handingambochiise panyuzi because ndingatosura ndatsvagwa ndakuwadzwa. Saka ndisirewo panyuzi mukoma izvi. Hatisina kana freedom, hatina zvimwe zvatichamhanyira. Saka ndoimwe nhau.
All right. We are going to continue with the audio.
So
now, this is the meeting, and here,
what is it?
pictures that you are seeing, the pictures that you are seeing there, it's at Southly Park. To those that know Southly Park shopping center, panonzi pakendi kana pamachina vanopaziva. ndo pane mapictures aya. Unfortunately the person anga achita akatowhandawo kuti mapicture acho asanyatsooneka, saka ndosaka atorwa mapictures achita anga ari blurry. But kana uri munhu anoziva paSouthern Park unotoziva nzvimbo, kana unoziva panonzi paKendi unotopaziva, ndo pazvaitikira. Saka tikanzwa vanhu vachona vachitotaura kuti kana misika yese iri papa vachitotaura kuti mabhei aya akauya neZanu PF. Saka since mabhei aya akauya neZanu PF, munofanira kunge muchitovhara mashopu patinoita musangano. We're going to meet again next week. Maenda is the councillor. Maenda is the councillor where this is the councillor to this ward, the Churu ward. I want you to listen at this statement. I'm trying to verify who exactly said it, but let's listen. Right, and can you hear me, guys? If you can hear me, please just say you can hear the audio loud and clear. I want to hear if kana muri kundinzwa zvakanaka. Ndoda kuona my love nema likes. Please send me my love nema likes if you can hear me. We want to play this audio. Tinzwe pari kutaurwa nyaya yekuti vanhu vari kufanira kuvhara misika yavo. They must close their market so that they can attend a ZANU PF rally. This is the gentleman who is saying that. Let's take a listen to that.
Next week, we are part of the Zvingo zviri kuzikanwa uye Vanhu kana mapoteso achita
Apologies for the background noise. You must understand kuti munhu wedu, our source who was there, anga achiita achirekodha akawanda, akakaisa phone pocket, anga angopressa record so that he can send me this audio. So please bear with me. But if you take a listen to that audio, you can hear kuti zviri kutaurwa kuri kutaurwa kunzi zvakati. Apologies for kutaurwa pa. I think you can hear kuti parutaurwa zvinyadzi. Apologies for that. Let's push the audio a bit further.
As you have seen, vanga vachitothreatena vanhu vachitotiwo kana tichitoita musangano isusu munhu wese anofanira kunge akatovhara shop yake, hafanira kunge akatovhura munhu wese musangano by threatening people. Vakabata maponda, vakabata shamu. So yeah, it's a hard thing kuti kusangana nevanhu kuno kukurova vanhu. So kunzi une mawhatsapp groups, munhu wese ngapinde mawhatsapp group asi unofanira kuita nharo tikakudza rivhara shop. So unofanira kuita zvinenge zvichidiwa nepati.
All right, there you have it. Let's just listen to this is the other audio.
Stephen maindaenda ndo ningi let me check here kuti so councillor
Stephen maindaenda, that's the councillor.
Yeah. Kuno everything anonzi Ephraim Fundokwa ndiye member of parliament kuno. Ephraim Fundokwa ndiye anondirira Chiro constituency.
Right. So there you have it. I will try to get in touch with a ZANU-PF official to get his word on this, because it is really not good, and also get some more sources from that same area. But if you happen to stumble upon any of the information about violence, please let us know on the numbers that are appearing on the screen. Let me just put them up there. So that you can get in touch. You can get in touch on the numbers that are appearing on the screen. You can send a message on all of the platforms that are there. Please, we really want to hear what is going on. The numbers that are appearing on the screen right now. Please WhatsApp us, whether it's a voice note, it's a picture, it's a video. WhatsApp us what is going on. Toda kuziva kuti chiri kuitika kwamuri ikoko. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngapho likhona, so that silazise umphakathi ukuthi kwenzakalani kulo mkankaso ukhetho la 2023. Lethemba ukuthi lizosilazisa if lithole ngabe i-video, ngabe kuyi-voice note yokuthi kulabantu abayenzi ezodlame abangayenzi izinto ngendlela efaneleyo, ngoba umongameli welizwe wake waqonqosela sibili ukuthi akumelanga sibe nodlame kulolu khetho, ngoba it's not good for our country to have violence. And silawo ama-observers elizweni lonke jikelele labo ababona ukuthi lo khetho luka-2023 luzohamba kanjani. So silethemba lokuthi lina lizasithumela lawo ama-video. We hope you guys, you are going to send us those videos or anything that is not in line with our constitution. There was a pledge for peace by all political parties, and they need to adhere to that so that the authorities can rein them in, the observers can see what is going on, which is untoward in this upcoming election. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you on the next video. And from now, I am out.